नमस्कार, माय नेम इज आरती रानी एंड वेलकम टू सरकारी साइंस। आज हम बात करेंगे एक स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में जो 12th पास स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है। द नेम ऑफ द स्कॉलरशिप इज ईशान उदय स्कॉलरशिप एंड इट इज अ रीजनल स्कॉलरशिप, दैट इज इट इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स ओनली। Let's check out some information. The name of the scholarship is Ishan Uday and it's given by UGC. The reason is only northeastern states students. The amount that you will receive for this scholarship is 8,000 per month, and after 10 months you have to renew this again. Total number of seats are 10,000 and there is NSP, National Scholarship Portal, where you can apply and you can renew this scholarship. If we talk about the subjects, if you have art, humanities, law, management, science, engineering, medical, agriculture, technical, any field, you can apply for this. If we talk about the eligibility, 12th pass from the NER school and first year in UG. If you are in undergraduate first year, then you can apply for this and the course will be regular. There is no management quota and no distance private or open course. The course that you have opted in the college should be UGC approved and parental income for this is less than 4.5 lakhs per year. You must have domicile for. If we talk about the renewal guidelines, then you can renew this every year after end of the course and must pass every year. बैक नहीं चलेगी, आपको पास करना ही पड़ेगा. And if you change any course or you failed, then scholarship stop. Then you have to must care about the things that are mandatory, that you have to pass the course every year and you have to renew them. Okay, if we talk about the last date and the starting date, then you can apply for this in August 2025. These are some tentative dates and last date for this is अक्टूबर और नवंबर. यू हैव टू चेक बिकॉज अभी ओपन नहीं हुआ है. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेंटेटिव डेट्स हैं जो आपको दी गई हैं कि अगस्त में ये ओपन हो जाएगा. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू सेव द रील. फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक दिस यू कैन फॉलो सरकारी साइंस एंड फॉलो, कमेंट, DM, एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.